Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Kingdom Faithful Doors channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today is New Year's Day. So, Happy New Year's to everyone who's watching this video. So, there are going to be some changes around here. So, I would try to make some good content in social media and also in uh, YouTube as well. And my objective to you guys is to really try to interact with you guys as best as I can. Because I am very, very confident that, I'm willing to do whatever it takes to really glorify God in such a way. I think my first live stream is going to be on Saturday, this Saturday evening, maybe around 6 or 7, and try to interact with you guys and do question and answers, trying to do all these things to really be more active in the community. Amen. And that is my goal. And also doing some other content stuff like the verse of the day, or such, or animal of the day. And just try to be more interactive and stuff like that. And I'm very, very excited to do that. By far, it has been amazing. And I'm very, very thankful to be out here doing what I love to do. So last year I caught 1,339 fish last year. And this year goal, I'm going to be hopefully catch 1,500. So it's going to be amazing year. I just know it. I'm trying to do my best to really try to do my best to do what I love. Also, I'm going to try ways to make more money outside of my job, like donate plasma. Right now I'm learning basic computer programming so that I can become a junior developer and grow from there, because I want to really I just really want to increase my skill level so that I can find a better job, so that it can help me pay the bills, and learn the experience of being a software developer or software engineer, whatever you want to call. But I'm very, very thankful, and also my health goals is to lower my A1C to 6.9 at least, and then from there I can decrease it down to 7.7. No, sorry, 6.7 to 5-ish.